Do you have a child who is in elementary school and you're homeschooling? Maybe you're new, or maybe you're just kind of nosy, you want to see how other people do it. Well, today I'm going to show you a day in the life of my 4th grader. Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a day in the life video of my 4th grader's homeschooling day. If you're new to this channel and you like what you see in this video, please make sure to take a moment and hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. And here's my son's day. So in the mornings we wake up around 7 a.m. Come downstairs, and as I'm making breakfast, my son will start on his math. Normally my 4-year-old is up with us, but today she's sleeping in. So my son is working on Beast Academy. He always gets cold in the morning, grabs a blanket, and he always snuggles up while he's doing his math. He is doing Beast Academy level 3 because we switched over in the middle of his 3rd grade year from Singapore math, and we ended up falling in love with Beast Academy after just a trial. So he's working on that while I am cooking. I homeschool a 1st grader along with my kids, and she gets in at 9 o'clock. So I would really like to get my son's language arts and math out of the way before she gets here, because when she gets here, between her, my 4-year-old, and my son, we all do group subjects, and that takes up a good few hours of the day. Then he's pretty much done after that.
Today we're keeping breakfast simple with a smoothie and some toast.
I like to add certified organic delicious Reds superfood to my kids' smoothies because they're not that great about eating fruits and vegetables. And because it's flu season, but also because we have other illnesses going around right now, I like to use liquid vitamin C.
At this point, my son is finished eating breakfast and he's going to get out his language arts work that he needs for the next subject.
So he is using the Good and the Beautiful level 4. And in this particular lesson, he has to read to me these challenging words out loud. And then there's always a challenging reading practice where he has to read to me a poem or a paragraph that has some harder words for him. Then he's learning to read cursive. So he has to write it out in print, and he also has to learn to spell it. So these are his spelling drills. He reads it, then he spells it all out 3 times without looking at the word. We just did that together as I was eating breakfast. And then here he writes his other book spelling words, and he has to look at the word, say it, cover it, write it, and then check it. After that, he has something to read for reading comprehension, and then he has here he has prepositional phrases. So this is his grammar, and he has to do this activity, and it has to do with what he just read. And then he has to do the circle the subordinating conjunctions and underline the dependent clauses. Once he's done that, go ahead, sweetie. This is the daily checklist. So once he's done that, we're going to do a lesson together in his creative notebook, which is here. And then on his own later, he'll practice his grammar cards and he'll read. So for today, what we have to do, this book has geography, art appreciation, and writing. So today's lesson 31, we're going to go through his first story, and we're going to see if we can improve it at all and add some dialogue to it.
after doing his math and his language arts, which takes a while, he earned a break. So while he is having a little snack break, I am setting up Gather Round Homeschool U.S. Government Unit Study for the entire class, which is 3 of my students, to complete together. Okay, Aaron had to write a debate today. We were learning about the Constitution and the Bill of Rights, and he also learned about debates. So he watched some highlights of the debate with President Trump and Joe Biden, and now he has to write his own. All right, so your topic is what?
Screen time.
What about it?
I need more.
Okay, why? Tell me your reasons.
I think I should have more screen time because it's stressful to only have 2 hours screen time.
Okay, so let's have a debate. I believe that 2 hours of screen time during a school week is way more than enough. And you actually only have 1 hour. So it's not even 2. So you're not winning me over by telling me it's stressful for you. Why is it stressful for you? So you want 3 hours of screen time during the school week?
If.
Of your day. Okay, let's think. Instead of going outside and doing hobbies and educational activities, why should I let you do 3 hours wasting in front of a screen, staring in front of the screen like this? Like this. This is you. For 3 hours, you're doing this.
Not straight.
3 hours. When are we going to play basketball outside? When are we going to play chess? When are we going to play our builder's game?
After.
There's no time when you have 3 hours of screen time. 1 hour a day during the school week.
How about we do it? We only have the extra hour if I finish school early.
Needless to say, he lost that debate. Now he's going to do extra math, which we just started up again to strengthen his mental math skills. Now Aaron is about to finish up the rest of his school day. We just got some new Star Wars books. I'm letting him choose from there. We don't always just read from the Good and the Beautiful list. Even though we do the Good and the Beautiful curriculum, I like him to be able to read some books that he truly enjoys. After that, he's going to be tying up loose ends and finishing the work on his language arts checklist. And then he'll be done his school day. This is what happened when you leave your son alone with the camera when he's supposed to be doing his work.
Hey guys, it's Aaron from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and welcome back to my channel, or her channel. I'll see you next time. Adios.
It's the end of the school day. Aaron has completed all of his work, and so today he gets to play Prodigy Math. So today we didn't do science or history because it's not a science day. It is a history day, but I'm switching histories and I'm waiting for it to come in the mail. We also have Spanish that we didn't get to do because I misplaced the CD for our Song School Spanish, but he does Song School Spanish 3 times a week. If you're interested in seeing all of the curriculum that I'm using for my son for his 4th grade year, make sure to check out the video in the card above. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have a kindergartner, make sure to check out my video on Homeschool Day in the Life with a Kindergartner. Thank you guys again for watching.